Welcome. In front of me I have Oclean X Pro toothbrush, and I'm going to show you how easy you can download the new firmware. So let's go on the About Me in your Oclean application, and after that we have to go for My Device, and here we can simply click to Firmware Update, and as you can see there's the recommendation that we can select and tap on the right upper corner to confirm. And right now it is going to update our firmware, and you have to wait until the 100% pops on your screen. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.